Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for the best product reviews on the market. Today, we're diving into the world of RV protection with what we're calling the best RV cover for 34FT travel trailers. The Kayme 300D Oxford Travel Trailer RV Cover. Whether you're gearing up for the off-season or just want to keep your RV looking sharp, this cover promises to deliver outstanding protection. So, let's get into it. First up, let's talk about the fabric. The Kayme RV cover is constructed with a combination of 210D and 300D Oxford fabric. This isn't just your average cover material. The sides are made of 210D Oxford, while the top and reinforced areas use the thicker 300D Oxford. This makes the cover not only tear-resistant but also incredibly durable. The polyurethane coating ensures it's 100% waterproof with a depth of up to 2,000 millimeters. The result? Your RV stays dry no matter what. Now, let's look at the design features. One of the standout aspects of this cover is its thoughtful design. It includes 12 reinforced windproof straps on both sides, which help secure the cover in windy conditions. The triangular widened rear hem ensures a snug fit, making sure the cover stays put even in strong winds. Another impressive feature is the rollable zipper doors on the side of the cover. This allows you to easily access your RV without having to remove the entire cover. You can check the interior or get to your gear without any hassle. Plus, it comes with 4 reflective strips on the front and back, which add a layer of safety during outdoor nighttime activities. The Kayme RV cover doesn't just stop at the cover itself. It comes with a comprehensive set of accessories. You get 4 tire covers, a tongue jack cover, gutter spout covers, and even a set of windproof straps. There's also an adhesive repair patch included in case you need it. And if you're worried about storing it away when not in use, there's a large storage bag to keep everything neat and tidy. Let's talk fit. This cover is designed to fit RVs that are 31 to 34 feet long, but it's crucial to check the dimensions of your RV before purchasing. It fits a variety of popular models from brands like Forest River, Keystone, Grand Design, Jayco, and Coachman. It's not suitable for fifth-wheel RVs, so make sure to measure your travel trailer carefully. Overall, the Kayme 300D Oxford RV cover is a top-notch choice if you're looking for robust, all-weather protection for your travel trailer. Its durable fabric, practical design features, and included accessories make it a strong contender for the best RV cover in its category. If you're ready to invest in keeping your RV in pristine condition, this cover is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching our review of the Kayme 300D Oxford RV cover here on Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update on the latest and greatest products. Drop any questions or comments you have below, and we'll see you in the next video.